Has the state of Texas already started an administrative process to take away your driver's license? Let's find out. Have you been arrested for DWI? If so, DPS may have already begun the process to suspend your license. For most people, the consequences of a suspension can be overwhelming, but you don't have to face it alone. You have the right to challenge the automatic suspension and fight to keep your driving privilege. I'm Anthony Segura, and I specialize in helping clients in Harris and Fort Bend counties work through their DWI license suspension issues. Let me explain why DPS gets involved. The process we're going to discuss is called Administrative License Revocation, or ALR. Following a DWI arrest, the police will ask you to provide a sample of breath or blood. If you refuse to voluntarily provide a sample, DPS will initiate the ALR process, seeking suspension of your license for 180 days. If you agree to provide a sample and an analysis shows an alcohol concentration at or above the legal limit of 0.08, the period of suspension is 90 days. If you are under the legal limit, there is no suspension. It's important to note that if you have prior suspensions related to drugs or alcohol, the suspension period can be enhanced to 1 or 2 years. If you're under 21, any detectable amount of alcohol in your system will result in a 60-day suspension. If you have a commercial driver's license, the consequences can be devastating. A first offense can result in suspension of your CDL for an entire year. So now that you understand the process, you're probably asking, what can be done? Well, despite what you may have heard, your license is not automatically suspended at the time of arrest. You have the right to challenge the suspension, but you have only 15 days to formally notify DPS of your intent to fight. If you fail to do so, the suspension is automatic, unavoidable, and begins on the 41st day after your arrest. My office handles all aspects of your DWI arrest, including challenging the automatic suspension. Having an experienced DWI defense attorney at your side will give you a fighting chance to save your license. Over the last several years, I've been able to successfully save the license in more than 80% of my ALR cases. This has saved my clients money, hassle, and preserved their driving record. But saving the license is not the only reason to fight the suspension. The ALR process is a great opportunity to gain valuable information about your case. Although we win the vast majority, we don't save the license every time. If suspension occurs, we'll discuss whether you're eligible for an occupational driver's license. An occupational license may allow you to drive during the suspension period. Please check out the video link at the end, where I explained everything you need to know about an occupational license. Call my office in Sugar Land now to schedule a consultation. We'll discuss your circumstances and formulate a plan to protect your driving privileges. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this one. Your road to freedom starts here. Get the help you need when you need it.